Akira and I went here sa Carrot Cake Manila by La Preciosa. Yung sikat na carrot cake dito sa doon sa Lawag before. Pero suddenly it's closed. Sarado siya. So, where do we go, Akira? Where do we go, baby?
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake? Saan nga tayo magharap ng carrot cake, baby?
Cake yun.
So, Aki, where are you? So, wala kang cake. So, di ka na. Wala kang cake. So, here we go. Hi. Good evening. Anong gusto mong cake? Oh. What? What cake do you want? Gusto mo tong Mango Bravo?
Okay.
Tong cake? Ang laki, oh. Super tall pa rin. Anong gusto mong cake? Pili ka na ng cake. You don't want Sans Rival? Ito, Sans Rival. You want Sans Rival?
To.
This one? No. Ito na lang, oh. Itong malaki. This one, the big one. Yes, this big one. Gusto mo yan? Siyempre, ipipilit ko yung gusto ko. So, siyempre, ipipilit ko gusto ko, di ba? Akira, bili na tayo. Asa po kayo ng GCash?
Sorry.
Yeah, baka hindi magtagal to. Thank you, guys.
Cake.
Cake. Oh, you hold it na.
Sure.
Hold it na.
It's
So,
ready.
where are we going next?
Pick up.
Pick up. So, let's go na. Let's go na.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yay! So, let's go.
Up.
Pick up.
Mama, Daddy.
Wait lang. Hawak ni Daddy. Aki, so nakabili tayo ng cake.
Oo.
Happy ka naman.
Okay,
Happy ka? Ha? Tingin nga ng cake na nabili mo.
Ito.
Yan.
Sorry.
Ay. So, ano yung hawak mo?
Mommy.
Mayaman ka na? Mami na? Charan!
Hello.
Oh, open mo na. Dito. Wait. So, you have your cake now. Oh, blow mo na yung candle mo. Blow. Tayo. Bilis. Tayo. Mike. Oh, happy na. What do you say? What do you say, Garod?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Daddy.
Alright. Dahil social climber ka.